Hey guys, I'm running out of time on my little flash drive, but I want to show you an example of completing the square that's a little more complicated. Notice every one of these has a common factor. So you always take your greatest common factor out first. Notice I divided everything by 2, and then I rewrote it to my advantage. I rewrote it so I had my x squared minus 5 first, and I go plus blank. I had my y squared minus 4y plus blank, and I did it on both spots. Then I took the time and I did completing the square on both of them. And yes, you're going to get a fraction, because if I divide negative 5 by 2, that's a negative 5 over 2. And my square, I get a positive 25 over 4. So that's where I got my 25 over 4. Here, negative 4 divided by 2, that is going to be a negative 2 squared is 4. So then I go and I get a common denominator. I switch it off for me. And so I got 61 over 4. So then I go and I'm like, all right, I'm going to rewrite each of my trinomials here as a perfect square binomial. When I do that, I can pull out my center, which is 5 over 2 and 2, and my radius, which is the square root of 61 over 2. Now, I'm running out of time, so this isn't very well maybe explained to you, but we'll do a lot of examples in class, and we'll be working in groups, and hopefully it'll be a little bit clearer then even too how to use the completing of the square to write the equation of a circle.